Hi everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, your piano teacher. If you want to discover about me, you can watch the introduction video of the channel in the description of this video. I'm leaving the link below. And you can also find the link for my artistic channel. Now let's go to our lesson. Today I'm going to play for you a ragtime Raggles, the one on page 21 of the John Thompson's Easiest Piano Course, part 1. This one is definitely the most interesting one until now, for the length, for the richness of the melody. You have to be simply careful when you study, and especially you, parent, when you help your kids studying these ragtime Raggles. Pay attention that they count correctly here in the first bar, for example, first bar of the first line, or first bar of the second line, or also the second last bar of the second line, or this one, or this one. Why? Because you see that we have one count note, then two counts note, and one count. This is the first count, this is the second and third count, and this is the fourth. What does it mean? Let me play first 1 second this bar, yeah, and then I will play the whole one. It means that you have to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, in general there are not that many problems, but it happens sometimes that the student doesn't give that much importance to the fact that this note is two counts. Forget to count, the student, then forget to give the right length to this sound, and is quite strange what comes out. Now I'm going to play for you the whole song. Obviously we will have to use right hand, left hand, right hand again, and then only at the end again the left hand. But slowly you will get it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And voila! So if you will count, you student, you will count, and if you parent, you will simply pay attention that they count correctly, respecting the length of the notes, there is no way that they can make mistakes playing this one, okay? Feel free to comment, to ask, and I will be happy to help. Thank you very much for today.